So hospice can be offered at various levels. So number one, hospice is, as I already mentioned, that hospice is a treatment where our intention is not to cure the disease. Our intention is to make the patient and the family comfortable. So it is all dependent on where the patient belongs to, what is the, under literacy level, the financial background of the patient, how regularly you and the palliative care physicians can see these patients, and based on what is the nature of the disease basically. Depending on all these factors, hospice care can be offered at home. They can be offered at a nearby nursing home. It can be offered at a specialized hospice center, or it can be offered at a hospital also. So as I mentioned, that depending on the need of the patient, depending on the confidence the family has with the available infrastructure, and what is the underlying condition of the patient, we decide that which is the best method for hospice for a particular patient. So a patient who requires, say, a patient, especially in our scenario, a patient who is an uncontrolled malignancy, and patient requires, repeatedly removal of water from the abdomen, that is ascitic fluid tapping or a pleural fluid tapping. These are the patients that usually prefer to be in a hospice care or a hospital setting, because due to uncontrolled malignancy, tapping sometimes is done every alternate day or every 2 to 3 days. So
Right.
such patients require a more aggressive form of a hospice care. Whereas on the other hand, if the family is understanding that the nature of the disease is chronic, the patient is weak but not having any imminent symptoms, we counsel the patient to go home, and then the minimal hospice care regarding nutrition, prevention of infection and bed sores, and all those things can be managed at home also. So, as to conclude, I would like to say on this issue that depending on the severity of the symptoms and depending on the need and nature of the disease, we take a decision along with the family, of course, at what level of hospice the patient is accounted for. So it can range from a simple home-based care to a specialized hospice care center care.